Before getting into the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a video. We can declare more than one variable in a single line, like name, comma, age equal to Arthur, comma, 12. The order in which you wrote the variable and the value in the same order the value will be assigned. That is, Arthur will be assigned to name and 12 to age. Now let us try to print it. Okay, print name. Here we get Arthur. Similarly, this will be for age. We can also use it in a way, say print um, hey plus name plus your age is plus age. So here we will get error because age is an integer. So either you can use the string function or you may just declare age as string data type. We can even give the same value to many variables in a single line. That is a equal to b equal to c equal to 3. So 3 will be assigned to a, b and c. Now, so the output for a plus b plus c should be 9. So we write print a plus b plus c. On running the code, we get 9. Now, can we get two or more inputs from the user? Yes, we can take two or more input from the user using the input function. Specifically, we can do this by using a single line code. Let us see how. What we previously used to do is name equal to input enter your name. Similarly, age equal to input enter age. But we can get the input of name and age in a single line code also. All you need to do is write name, comma, age equal to input, enter your name and age dot split. We need to add this dot split after it. Then print name, print age. Let's run this code. Yeah. So here we have name as James, give a space, then input age as 54. Press enter. Now the name variable has James and age variable to 54. Here what you need to make clear in mind is that you will have to add a space after assigning value to the previous variable so that the compiler gets to know that it is the starting of the next value, because we cannot write see James 54 like without a space and press enter and expect the same result, because here the compiler won't understand that these are two different values and will consider it as the declaration of single variable, so that will produce output as it was asking for two values and we give one. Here we can also specify the separation using comma or any symbolic character. Like here inside these split brackets, uh, comma, within this bracket, we can give a separator that would help the compiler to understand that it is the separation between two distinct values of the variables. Now on running this, we will have to give input as James, comma 54. So now the name is James and age is 54. You can do this for multiple inputs too. Try to implement the split function for taking input of certain values. String formatting. For example, we declared some variable, say name equal to George and age is equal to 34. And then if we wish to print some line, so we write print hey plus name plus UR plus str and the bracket age. Here what we are doing is every time we are concatenating the variable and making the code even more complex or lengthy, this we require string formatting. Now how we will use string formatting in this case? We simply use placeholder, that is curly brackets. All we need to do is type print hey, then placeholders, curly bracket open, curly bracket close. You are curly bracket open, curly bracket close. These both altogether are called placeholders. Then year old, then we'll write dot format then in the bracket we write name comma age. We will type the empty placeholders and then we will use the function format after, with parameters being the number of placeholders you used, to replace it with corresponding variables. One more thing you notice here is that we need not to convert that age variable into string. It will still get printed. Now let us run the program. So yeah, it is simple, right? So that was used for Python 3. There was another way introduced in Python 3.6 for string formatting. So let us know how. Here again we have to use placeholder, and within the placeholder you will have to write the variable name whose value you want to print, and in the beginning of the string type f. So we'll write print, then f, then begin the string with hey, then the placeholder, inside it write name, then you are, then again the placeholder with the variable age, then year old, and the string ends. This is quite simple and clean syntax. Let us run the program. So yeah, we are getting the same output, what we expected. The best thing about this is that you can even perform calculation too. Like you can add 7 to age. So previously what we use format, and we can write name comma age plus 7. And similarly in this, the in the placeholder we can write age plus 7. And for this we get the output as, yeah, the like that. Thus, that is how string formatting is done. If you like this video, hit the like button. Thank you.